Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and in today's video, we are going to be comparing pencil spaces to BitPaper. Here I am on the BitPaper homepage. I'm going to be creating a new account to show you the whole BitPaper experience from start to finish. So I'm just going to sign up and then we'll continue. So as you're first signing up, you'll be asked to select a plan. As you can see here, you can join calls on their free plan. However, with BitPaper, you cannot create a call with their free plan. As you can see here with Pencil Spaces, you have up to 60-minute call time per call and up to 1,000 minutes of call time per month. You will also see here that you can only create one paper per month. This is equivalent to a whiteboard in Pencil Spaces. So as you can see here in Pencil Spaces, you have unlimited collaborative whiteboards. So today we are going to be going through BitPaper's free plan. So now that I've been signed in, I'm taken back to BitPaper's homepage. I can look at my account details or my papers right at the top. I can also create a new paper from here, so that is what I'm going to do. As you can see here, they make it very clear that you only have one paper available. So now that I've named my paper, I'm going to get started. So in BitPaper, you have access to different tools you can use inside your paper. So similar to Pencil Spaces, they have a pen tool, and right beside that, they also have a highlighter tool. You can erase your work, you can select different items using the mouse tool, and to move around your screen, you have to use this multi-sided arrow tool. Similar to in Pencil, you click and drag around your whiteboard. One key difference here is you cannot just use your keypad to move around the whiteboard. So as you can see here in Pencil Spaces, we have similar whiteboard tools. We have the pen tool, we have the highlighter tool, and we have the eraser tool. If you would like to move around your canvas, you can select the Move Canvas tool, click and drag around your whiteboard to move around, or you can use 2 fingers on your keyboard to move around. BitPaper also has tools such as the arrow tool, which can also be found in Pencil Spaces. They also have a text tool, where you can put text anywhere on your whiteboard, similar to Pencil Spaces. And they also have a formula editor. BitPaper's formula editor is different than the formula editor found in Pencil Spaces. Here you have to type out every equation. You can, however, use assistance using the keypad below. In Pencil Spaces, however, you have a wider variety with our formula editor in inputting an equation. You can either type out your equation here, you can use LaTeX, or you can actually draw out your equation that you want to put on the whiteboard. In both Pencil Spaces and BitPaper, you can add images or PDFs to your whiteboard. So this can be accomplished in BitPaper by uploading the file to your page, or you can copy and paste the image to your page or drag and drop it into your page. So in Pencil Spaces, the process is very similar. You can upload images or PDFs from your computer files. Or you can drag and drop it into your space or copy and paste it into your space. If we go back to our Insert Files feature, you'll see that you also have the option of inserting files from YouTube. Pencil Spaces supports having videos in a space, BitPaper does not. So as you can see here, you can upload videos from your computer. However, with YouTube, all you have to do is put in the URL, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to upload the video into my space, and I can actually watch the video from here. Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil. You cannot accomplish this in BitPaper. Videos cannot be uploaded to your page. So if you go to the left-hand side of your BitPaper screen, you'll see that you have a call button. If you have a free account and you try to start a call, you'll see that you are unable and do not have the capabilities unless you switch your account subscription. In Pencil Spaces, however, with a free account, you can start a call. You can adjust your video and audio settings. And once you're happy with your adjustments, you can start the call. So BitPaper is also a collaborative platform, so you can invite other people to join you in this space by sending them a URL link. You can also monitor who has access to your space, and currently you can see that I am the only person with access. In Pencil Spaces, however, you have more privacy options with your space. You can make your space either public or private. So if I go to the blue invite button at the top right-hand side, I can see that currently my space is public, however, I'm the only person with access. So when my space is public, this means that anyone who has access to the shareable link, which can be copied here, will be able to access my space. If I would like to make my space private, participants must individually be invited by name or email to the space. So that's what I'm going to do now. So now that my invitation is sent, a participant can join me in the space at any time, and they can also join me on the video call. So another interesting thing found within Pencil Spaces is the differentiation between a participant and a host. So this is not something found within BitPaper. A host has more capabilities than a participant would. So a host has capabilities such as removing a participant from a space or restricting their capabilities on a whiteboard. This is not something found within BitPaper. In both BitPaper and Pencil Spaces, you have access to a chat. So in BitPaper, any message you put in the chat will be saved, so when you return to this page, you will still be able to see the chat messages. This is also a capability in Pencil Spaces. All messages you put in the Everyone chat will be saved forever. However, you are also able to direct message participants in Pencil Spaces. So this means that you can individually message other participants without any other person seeing. Direct messaging is not available in BitPaper. So as you can see here on the left-hand side of my space, I have access to my Pencil Spaces chat. So here I can either message everyone in the space or I can individually message each participant. This can be extremely helpful when you have multiple people in your space and you want to talk to people individually. So again, direct messaging is not something found in BitPaper. If you'll also look to the left-hand side of your space, you have access to a calculator, a periodic table, and a graphing calculator. These are not features you'll have access to when using BitPaper. In BitPaper, you do not have the capability to record a call or session. In Pencil Spaces, however, you can record a call or session. So I'm just going to click the three dots found to the right-hand side of my participant box. I'm going to select record. And here you'll see you'll have options to record your entire screen, a window, or a Chrome tab. If you ever need assistance when using BitPaper, you do have the capability to email and contact support. However, in Pencil Spaces, you have access to 24/7 help support, meaning that there is always someone there to help you when you need support the most. As you can see, our response time is typically under 1 minute. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful in demonstrating the differences between BitPaper and Pencil Spaces. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the new changes at Pencil Spaces.